Aren't we all really tired of Karens? The answer is definitely a yes, but they still manage to appear in almost every moment of our lives. But there's nothing better than when a Karen gets instant karma. And that's exactly why you're here in this video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Karens getting instant karma that's caught on dash cams. So make sure to watch the video until the end because there are truly some banger clips of Karens in this video. So without further ado, let's just get into it. This Karen decided to pull the race card when she didn't agree with another man's driving. Luckily he stands up for himself and puts her in her place as he should.
I don't have time to waste on colonizing. She told me to go back to where I came from.
Your driving habits.
Do you see that?
Because we don't drive the same in Oregon. We're kind and we make space.
Okay.
And as someone who's from here as well, I'm so tired of people driving like you just did.
All right, get out of my face.
Constant.
Get out of my face.
Admit you're wrong and then it's not a race thing.
I mean, you have a colonizer mindset.
It's not about race.
Yeah.
Race is
Yeah,
not
it
the
is.
problem here. If you want things to change, when you
So it's on me.
do
So it's
not
on me.
pull the race card.
Do not get in her face.
You're taking out your pain and oppression on me right now. Stay out of it. We are, and it's important. It's important. Give it a moment.
You white lady!
I'm as angry as you are.
Get out of my face!
And
Because I'm done conversation!
Everyone needs to hear how angry you are, but it's not about this. It's not about what just happened.
In my face!
The Karen in this video is delusional. The driver just could not stop in time. What's even worse about this is how the Karen thinks she's in the right. It's green, she says. No, you just don't know how giving way works, Karen.
Fuck, man. What are you doing?
It's green! You just hit me!
I had the right of way.
It's green!
You turned.
Green!
I have the right of way. What are you?
Here we have a Karen who does not follow traffic rules but ironically gets mad at the other driver. That's a long day for that driver for sure.
Come on, will you? F you! You don't cut people off like that!
This male Karen, aka Kevin, was causing problems in the traffic jam. We need to see more people giving him a lesson like this.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let me get off the bike.
Let's go!
Get off the bike.
Cut me the f off! Let's go!
Dude, what the fuck is your issue?
You cut me the f off! We're not a f***ing time, man!
Shut the f up and just keep on driving.
We're not a drive, man!
Get the f out of here. Get the fuck out of here. You
This Karen was 100% guilty in this crash and doesn't want the other people to call the cops. Unluckily for her, it happened anyway.
What are you talking about?
Why did
What's
you
going on?
stop?
Why did you get out?
I had enough room. You were speeding, sir.
What?
I had enough room. You were speeding.
I was speeding?
Yeah. Oh my God. Dude. Really? No. I had plenty of room to pull out. And I witnessed and everything. No. What are you doing?
Calling 911.
No, we should exchange information.
Yes.
Imagine just driving along and then when you stop, a Karen comes over and attacks your car. And if you can't imagine it, then just watch this. Now this Karen is angry towards the Uber driver because he told her not to eat in his car. Pretty reasonable, but unfortunately Karen was not having it. But rest assured she did get kicked out and have to find her own way to school.
Respectful.
You're the one that came
I'm
in the car.
eating the car.
You're still not running on us. So you're showing exactly what the reason why I'm kicking you out.
Hi, I have an Uber driver being mad disrespectful. I just paid $14 to get to school, and he's kicking us out.
Okay, what's the address?
It's
411.
What kind of car are you in?
It's a black car.
A black car.
You know what? For this, I'm not going to school, bro. He blew my. Hello? Oh, how is he just gonna kick us out? I don't know. He's being mad disrespectful. You being mad disrespectful? No. You got $1 for the bus? You got $5 for the bus? No. It's not my fault. You're gonna waste that.
This Karen made the man angry for no reason. The man is absolutely right for mocking her.
There's no time to lose. I heard her say, catch your dreams before they slip away.
My car.
Have a what?
A problem with my car. You've been 2 feet from it since you got behind me.
Have I fucking touched it?
Damn near close.
This Karen starts going off at a man for legally overtaking a truck, and yet this Karen still has a whinge about it before being put in her place. Just check this out.
What did you say to me?
Do you know how many kids die on that road because of what you just did?
What did I do?
You went out in the middle of the thing.
It was a passing lane. My pass was legal.
Sir, but there's cars coming. There's teenagers driving. You were right behind the car.
Why do you care?
Because I've watched.
It's my responsibility.
Yeah, but
when
we're
I
behind
seek it.
you. We're behind you.
Okay.
Before that, you were right behind.
So guys, that is going to be it for the video. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to show some support by subscribing and turning on post notifications, as well as leaving a like and a comment so I know what kind of content you guys want to see. But that's going to be it. Like I said, I hope you guys have a great day, great weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one.